All right, I'm hoping this gets me at least one strip right here, but I got my form here. It looks a little narrow right here, but don't worry, concrete will just push that right out. But basically what I'm seeing is straight enough. Yeah, straight enough. All right, I'm gonna start mixing concrete. I'll keep you guys posted. All right, got the first strip poured. A little low, but that's more like 3 inches instead of the 3.5, because I actually did 2x4s and I didn't need that much. And that is gonna be, yeah, she's got a little bend in it, but it's gonna work, I hope. But either way, that's the first one poured. Now I gotta dig the other one out, and first I gotta go get 10 more bags, 6 of the 80-pound and 4 of the 60. I know that doesn't make sense. I could just get 3 80-pound ones, but it fit better, and in my mind it made more sense. All right, got the first strip. Now I got to do all the measurements over here and make sure it's somewhat straight. And basically, as long as I measure the distance from there to there and I keep that same distance out to here, it should work. Yeah. All right, so this is the next day. We got it all done. The forms have been set. Concrete's been in for probably 12 hours now. Yeah, over 12 hours. So he'll give it till tonight. I won't take the forms off for at least another day. So yeah, but it went pretty well. It's gonna be a little uneven, but that's all right. But right now I'm just picking everything up, and you know, the carport's sitting in all that crap. So yeah, just gonna keep spraying it a little bit so it keeps hydrated and doesn't crack on top, and go from there.